What's up, Adventure Buddies? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with G-Muffin. In this week's episode, we are going to be making a two-tiered cake for Valentine's Day. And because it's Valentine's Day, what better flavor than red velvet? And without further ado, cue that intro. So for this recipe, you'll need to combine cake batter mix, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs. And then mix it all up. First, let's preheat the oven to 350. Now stir it all up. And guys, I got a special secret ingredient. We're gonna try adding some chocolate chips in the red velvet. What do you guys think? Make sure to put it down in the comments. Do you think it's gonna taste good? You don't have to do this stuff. Now let's spray both of our pans. Since we're doing a two-tiered cake, we're gonna fill up the small pan first, and then use the rest for the big pan. And then guys, my favorite part, to lick the bowl. Next, we're gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Woo-wee, it smells so good. I can't wait to get the cake out of the oven. Now we're gonna wait till it cools down. Then we are gonna ice it, then build the cake. I can't wait that long. Now that the cakes have cooled off, it's time to ice them. So to make the two-tiered work, we're going to ice them separately. Now that we're done icing both cakes, now we're gonna put on the top tier on the bottom tier. And this might be a little messy, but who cares? Because that means we get to lick our fingers. And it wouldn't be a Cooking with G-Muffin without some sprinkles. My favorite. And there you have it, another episode of Cooking with G-Muffin. And if you like this episode, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. And from the Adventure Buddies, have a happy Valentine's Day. And last but not least, remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on with?